Combination reaction, a type of reaction in which two or more reactant react and it form a single product, that is called combination. Also called addition because they added the two chemicals. In this type of reaction, most of time the energy is exit. That's why it is called the exothermic reaction. The second type of reaction, decomposition reaction, a type of reaction in which the single reactant breaking into its simpler product. Reactant is single reactant breaking into its simpler product. The examples that I told you in next, the decomposition reactant breaking down into its simpler product, that is called the decomposition reaction. In this type of reaction, reactant it require temperature. That's why it is called the endothermic reaction. It is also called substitute, means any substitute is required. Either the electricity, heat energy is required. So it is a substitute. Dissociation means reactant breaking into simpler product, as well as it is called dissociation reaction. The another one is displacement reaction. As its name, dis हटाना, place, जिसका अपना place हटाना means place change करना. Means in this type of reaction we studied that the most reactive element replace the least reactive element from its solution. और ये तभी पॉसिबल है जब आप लोग रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज याद करेंगे, जो मैं आपको नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में बताऊंगी. So only the definition of displacement reaction is a type of reaction in which the most reactive element replace the least reactive element. Double displacement reaction in which in both chemical exchanges the ion. यहाँ पर displacement में सिर्फ क्या है, कोई एक एलिमेंट है जो किसी सॉल्यूशन में से लिस्ट रिएक्टिव को रिप्लेस कर रहा है, that is displacement. In double displacement, it means there are two chemical compound which exchanges their ion. That's why it is called the double displacement reaction. और इन reactions के लिए आपको reactivity series याद होना जरूरी है. Redox reaction, it is also called the oxidation reduction. As its name, red for the reduction and ox for the oxidation. Oxidation, a process in which addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen and donation of electron. Again I told you oxidation, a process in which oxygen is added, hydrogen is removed and electron is donated by a metal or any atoms, that is called oxidation. Reduction, addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen, gaining of electron, just opposite of the oxidation. If both processes are occur in a single reaction, that time it is called redox reaction. अगर सिमिलरली दोनों प्रोसेस किसी एक रिएक्शन में चलेंगे, साथ साथ चले, मीन्स एक का ऑक्सीडेशन और दूसरे का रिडक्शन, तभी हम इसको रेडॉक्स कहेंगे. अदरवाइज अगर सिर्फ ऑक्सीजन ऐड हो रहा है, हाइड्रोजन निकल रहा है या इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट हो रहे हैं, हम इसको कहेंगे ऑक्सीडेशन. रिडक्शन जिसमें हाइड्रोजन ऐड हो रहा है, ऑक्सीजन निकल रहा है, इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन हो रहे हैं, तो रिडक्शन कहेंगे. The next type is neutralization reaction, a type of reaction in which one acid and base react to it and it forms salt and water. Again I repeat, a type of reaction in which acid and it forms salt and water. This type of reactions are called neutralization reaction. So the type of chemical reactions are combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement, redox, neutralization, reversible, irreversible, catalyst reaction. Thank you. Hello student, as I told you, there are the different types of chemical reaction. Today I am starting neutralization reaction. I told you the definition of neutralization reaction, a type of reaction in which acid, base react and it form salt and water. This type of reactions are called the neutralization reaction. The neutralization reaction have three types. strong base. When acid and base react, it forms salt. The formed salt is neutral in nature. It is neutral salt and it forms water H2O. The first type of neutralization reaction is when strong acid and strong base react, it forms a neutral salt and it forms water. Example of the strong acid. Strong acid H2SO4, strong base NaOH, a neutral salt that is Na2SO4 plus it is H2. Or another, in place of the strong acid, if we write the HCl, strong base is NaOH. Generally we say that HCl is strong acid. HCl plus NaOH will give N is here, old bond break and new bonds are formed. That's why it forms NaCl. NaCl is salt. It is neutral in nature and it forms H2O. Means the first type of neutralization reaction, strong acid, strong base, it forms neutral salt and water. The second one is if it is a strong acid and weak base, it forms the acidic salt because acid के साथ strong है तो जो salt बनेगा उसके साथ acidic in nature. Third, weak acid plus strong base. When weak acid and strong base react, it forms the basic salt and water. So three type of reaction: strong acid, strong base, it forms neutral salt and water. Strong acid, weak base, it forms the acidic salt and water. When a weak acid and strong base, it forms a basic salt and water. I told you the example of the strong acid and strong base. That is HCl plus NaOH will give NaCl plus H2O. NaCl is neutral salt. Strong acid HCl, weak base NH4OH. The acidic salt is NH4Cl, that is ammonium chloride, and it forms water H2O. Strong acid HCl, weak base NH4OH, it forms the acidic salt ammonium chloride NH4Cl and H2O. Weak acid, acetic acid, CH3COOH is called acetic acid. Weak acid, the strong base is Na